Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts, then get straight to removing the door panel. Use a Phillips and trim tool, pry clips gently, and store screws in a labeled bag so nothing gets lost. Once the panel is off, peel back the moisture barrier carefully, don't tear it, so you can access the regulator and motor. If the glass is down, tape it to the frame for safety. This gives you clear access to the regulator, motor, and wiring to begin diagnosis. Now diagnose. Probe the Windows switch with a multimeter while an assistant operates it. You should see 12V on one terminal and ground on the other when actuated. If power reaches the connector, inspect the regulator for bent tracks, missing rollers, or loose bolts that bind the mechanism. To isolate the motor, disconnect it and apply 12V directly from a fuse source. Observe rotation direction, speed, and any grinding noises. Once you know whether it's motor, regulator, or install the new or rebuilt motor and regulator, lining up mounting holes and torquing bolts to factory specs, tight but not overdriven. Reconnect the glass to the regulator clamps, then temporarily reconnect power and cycle the window slowly to set travel and alignment. Make incremental adjustments so the glass seals evenly and runs without binding. Once motion is smooth, secure the moisture barrier, reinstall the door panel, and reconnect the battery. If the window still binds, check tracks for debris and ensure the regulator is square to the glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.